Hi, my name is Terry Lee, and this is a brief overview of the next project that we're going to do at Sweet Pea Papers on YouTube, and then also it will be posted in the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group. If you're a member of the Facebook group, this particular project does come with an extensive step-by-step tutorial, and it also includes pictures of the folders at each step, so that you can see what it should look like if you have followed the directions. Okay, now you're going to need 8 manila folders, not necessarily center folders for all of them, but the first 2 are definitely center tab folders. And so this is what, let me move this out of the way. You're going to need to keep your scraps, as you all know. It's what I tell you all the time through all the videos, because some of the scraps we will be using, and then some look like little pockets or tabs, and so we're going to keep those. Some of them are going to be the ends of the folders that we cut apart, and they're like flaps, so we might use those to attach to things to make flip ups. And some are just tabs and other things that we might want to use. Okay, so I'm just going to get that part out of the way. Save all your scraps in this project. So if I were to take a picture of this and post it, it would just look like a square. So I haven't. But this is what the Lapbook looks like when it's folded. The reason it's called a Lapbook is it's based on what started out as a children's interactive book. And as I think it was Nick the Booksmith, or it could have been oh, never mind, because I can't think of her name, and I will definitely give her credit as soon as I remember it. So the cover opens like this, and then this, and you're going to be labeling a lot, just so you know. Okay, so the first cover opens like this, the second cover opens like this, and then the fun begins. Then this smaller piece, see, and it still has the tab on it, so that's why we save our scraps, opens up. Then you have a larger, kind of a third cover that opens, and it opens this way. And then this partial folder opens this way. And of course, now this is all paper clipped together because I'm going to need to be able to show you the measurements and everything. And so I might take it apart to show you how I did it. So this one is number F, but only half of it. Then you're going to open this one, and then this one will open, then this one will open, then this is a flip out, so it'll flip out that way and then close away, and then this other larger one will open. A lot of the plain ones are on one side, and that makes it easier for you to add pockets and such. I'm not sure if we're going to go past constructing the basic one and go on into decorating it and adding the extra pockets and things. It just depends on how long this goes, because you're going to probably do yours the way you want to do yours. Okay, so then this opens, then the other half of this one opens, and then this opens, and then this opens, and then you have the large center so that you can put large pockets, a notepad. You can use what was I going to say, elastic string, and put a removable notebook in here. There's all kinds of things you can do in the center. You can add additional little flips and flaps, like what they call a waterfall here. That's actually a pretty good idea. Got hair on my hand warmers. Sorry I didn't take them off for this because my hands are really cold. So if you go here and here, let's see if I can remember how to do it. And then here, and then here, and then here, and then your, oops, and then your flip out, and then here, and here, here, and here, and here, and then here. Yeah, see, I missed one. I missed one because it's every other one. And then the inner cover, outer cover, and then on the back is a large pocket that you can slide things into. So that's the quick overview of the project that we'll be doing. It's going to be at least 7 videos as far as I can tell from my notes. If I find that we're moving along quickly and parts are easier than others, then I may be able to reduce the number of videos. And like I said, I forgot to mention, I've got 2 kits set aside that are actually 3 junk journal kits. I've got Burgundy Winter by Liana Scrap, and that's on Etsy. LIANA SCRAP, all one word, but it's Liana Scrap. Okay, it's called Burgundy Winter, and I got the add-on to it, and the add-on is actually another smaller kit. So this right here has, I think I counted 15 full pages plus ephemera in the back. And then this one, it might be the one that had some writing pages that were, you know, half and half. And then the other one I have set aside that's very, very similar. It has the similar colors and it has the watercolor animals. Is called Montreal, and it's by Antique Paperie. The most this one is going to be is $1.67, believe it or not. And I may have gotten the add-ons, which would be another $1.67. If this is a new kit, and I don't remember, I think it is. If it's a retired kit, each part would be 69 cents. So I don't remember how much these two were together. I think it was around $5 or $6. So we have a total of $7 invested in kit, which is not very much at all for as much stuff as we are going to have. Okay, this is really the end of the intro. I had a bunch of manila folder leftover, like larger end pieces and stuff set aside, and I'm looking around and I don't see them. So there may be envelopes involved. You know, I love an envelope stack or two, and other things. But right now it's just this basic Lapbook, and then your imagination after that, or my imagination after that if I decide to keep going. All right, well, this is Terry saying goodbye, and I hope to see you during this tutorial. I think it's going to be fun, and I think you're going to enjoy it. And so the next video will be just a second for you and a day for me. Bye-bye.